Spain. Spain's economy combines tourism, services, and manufacturing. The country is one of the most visited destinations in the world, with millions of people traveling each year to its cities, beaches, and cultural landmarks. This has made tourism a central part of economic activity, supporting hotels, restaurants, transportation, and local businesses. Alongside tourism, Spain produces automobiles, machinery, and food products that are exported across Europe and beyond. Agriculture also plays a role, particularly in the production of olives, fruits, and wine. Regions across the country specialize in different products, contributing to a diverse agricultural base. In recent years, Spain has also expanded into renewable energy, especially solar and wind power. This combination of tourism, industry, and agriculture creates a balanced economy shaped by both tradition and modernization. Switzerland. Switzerland's economy is known for stability, precision industries, and global finance. The country has built a strong reputation as a banking and financial center where wealth management and investment services attract clients from around the world. This role developed over time due to political neutrality, strong institutions, and a focus on privacy and reliability. Beyond finance, Switzerland produces high-quality goods such as watches, pharmaceuticals, and advanced machinery. Companies in these sectors focus on precision, innovation, and long-term quality. The country also benefits from a highly skilled workforce and strong education system. Despite its small size and limited natural resources, Switzerland has created a highly productive economy based on expertise and global trust. Argentina. Argentina's economy has long been tied to agriculture and natural resources. The country produces large amounts of soybeans, corn, wheat, and beef, exporting these products to international markets. Fertile land across the Pampas region supports this agricultural output, making farming a key part of economic activity. At the same time, Argentina has developed industries in manufacturing, energy, and services. Cities like Buenos Aires serve as economic centers, supporting finance, technology, and cultural industries. However, the economy has experienced periods of instability due to inflation and financial crises. Despite these challenges, Argentina remains an important agricultural exporter with significant potential for growth. Nigeria. Nigeria's economy is heavily influenced by oil production, which provides a large share of government revenue and export income. The discovery of oil transformed the country's economic structure, making energy exports central to its global trade. This has allowed Nigeria to play an important role in international energy markets. Beyond oil, Nigeria has agriculture, telecommunications, and a rapidly growing services sector. Its large population creates a significant domestic market, supporting businesses in retail, entertainment, and digital services. In recent years, technology startups and financial services have expanded, especially in major cities like Lagos. The economy continues to evolve as it balances natural resources with new industries. Vietnam. Vietnam's economy has grown rapidly through manufacturing and exports. Over the past few decades, the country shifted from an agriculture-based system to an industrial economy focused on producing electronics, textiles, and consumer goods. Factories across the country supply products to global companies and international markets. This growth was supported by economic reforms that opened Vietnam to trade and foreign investment. As a result, cities have expanded and infrastructure has improved significantly. Agriculture still plays a role, particularly in rice and coffee production, but manufacturing now drives most economic activity. Vietnam has become an important part of global supply chains, especially in Southeast Asia. Sweden. Sweden's economy combines innovation, industry, and a strong welfare system. The country produces goods such as automobiles, machinery, and telecommunications equipment, with companies like Volvo and Ericsson contributing to global markets. Swedish industries are known for combining engineering with design and efficiency. At the same time, Sweden has developed a strong technology sector, with startups and digital companies emerging in cities like Stockholm. The government supports education, healthcare, and social services, creating a stable environment for both businesses and individuals. This balance between innovation and social support has shaped a modern and resilient economy. Poland. Poland's economy has grown significantly since the end of the Cold War, transitioning from a centrally planned system to a market-based economy. This shift allowed private businesses, foreign investment, and trade to expand, leading to steady economic development. Manufacturing, particularly in automotive parts, machinery, and electronics, plays a key role. The country also benefits from its location in Europe, serving as a link between Western and Eastern markets. Cities like Warsaw and Krakow have developed into economic centers with growing service industries, including finance and technology. Poland's combination of industrial growth and integration into European markets continues to drive its economic progress. Thailand. Thailand's economy is built on tourism, manufacturing, and agriculture. The country attracts millions of visitors each year, making tourism one of its largest sources of income. This supports a wide range of industries, from hotels and transportation to food and entertainment. In addition to tourism, Thailand produces automobiles, electronics, and agricultural products such as rice and rubber. Industrial zones have developed around major cities, supporting export-driven manufacturing. The country's position in Southeast Asia also makes it an important regional trade hub, connecting different markets through commerce and transportation. Egypt. Egypt's economy is shaped by its geographic location, natural resources, and historical significance. The Suez Canal plays a major role, serving as a key global shipping route that generates revenue from international trade passing between Europe and Asia. This strategic position has made Egypt an important link in global commerce. Agriculture along the Nile River supports food production, while industries such as construction, tourism, and energy contribute to economic activity. Tourism, in particular, draws visitors to ancient historical sites such as the pyramids and temples. While the economy faces challenges, Egypt continues to rely on its strategic location and diverse industries to support growth. Chile. Chile's economy is strongly connected to mining, particularly copper production. The country is one of the largest exporters of copper in the world, supplying a key material used in electronics, construction, and energy systems. Mining has played a central role in shaping Chile's economic development and export structure. Alongside mining, Chile has agriculture, fishing, and wine production industries that contribute to its exports. The country also develops stable financial institutions and trade relationships, allowing it to maintain consistent economic growth. Its open economy and strong connection to global markets have made Chile one of the more stable economies in Latin America.